Amma ka jirru kuno Qatar Doha daawwachaa jirra. Waan akkasii waan taateef aduulleen ijaan baatee garuu kun sitiin gara sirraan achi asirraallee kuno kan fakkaata akka gaariidha kuno sitii isinii kaleessaa duuba kiyya Qatar. Agartaa sun keessa deemuun achumaayyuu as dhufu wanni ta'ee jira. Jaarsi kunillee maal asii jette? Jaarsi guddaan. No, I'm not saying I'm not doing it. Yeah. We're going to. 8. Okay.
And in fact, if some of you would like to know where the Sheikh Tamim reached, well, Sheikh Tamim have a serial mansion laying around the Doha. Massive mansion. How you would know if this resident belongs to the Sheikh Tamim? Well, it's really easy. You will see infinity wall that lays across the border, and well, basically, you won't see tall towers or very huge mansions visible from outside. Everything is inside, and usually it's maximum 2-floor building, but it's very luxury. In fact, one of these buildings, the one which is built back in 1970, will be located very soon on our right hand side. You will see white fence. We're not yet approached. This is not the white fence I'm talking about. To be on our way. And another interesting thing about that mansion, the Ameri Palace, is back in 1980s, Princess Diana was based there. She visited Qatar to check after the British school that was just built in the country. And also interesting fact about that mansion, you will see, the building that stands in front of the mansion was
Cắp đến cầm cái nó ra xỉn.
ijoollee yoo qabaatan deemu ni miti akkas beekama. Eessa baatee of ta'e? Deebisee isin bilbila. Nyaanni isin bilbila.
Appa, what gate number?
8.
Can you Appa, what gate number?
نذكر السادة المسافرين بأن بوابات الخروج إلى الطائرة ستغلق.
Already, beautiful tiny interlocks all around this place. It's also designed purely for Ottoman Empire, and as you can see, it's very typical mosque like any other in the country, except on its application. It's beautifully gold, and also you can see how it looks like inside. Well, but do not step inside the mosque. I mean, you can see it from here and take a picture.
Aya.
Most of the mosques were kind of identical. You'll find exactly the same shape.
Sakyan ng kuring ka. Sako ka.